The Anaheim Packing District is a vibrant hub of restaurants and amenities, offering a plethora of exciting things to do. The district boasts a wonderful view and ambience, attracting beautiful people from all walks of life. With its outdoor venue and relaxing outdoor patio, it's the perfect place to unwind and enjoy the California sunshine. The park offers valet service for added convenience, making it easy to explore the district's family-oriented shops. Whether you're a foodie, a shopper, or simply looking for a fun day out, the Anaheim Packing District has something for everyone. Come and experience a variety of dining options at our restaurants including Boxcar, Chippy Fish and Grill, El Chamango, George's Kitchen, Adia, Hammer Bar, Mongol, The Iron Press, and Zabon Ramen. Whether you're looking for an enjoyable experience, a fun day, or an exciting night, we have something for everyone. We can't wait to welcome you.